Hey guys, it is day 4 of the Bot of Books 10.0 readathon and I'm here to bring you a little update. So I didn't finish Pretty Spies Good Westerfeld the evening that I filmed my TBR, so this was the first book that I finished in the Bot of Books readathon. So I read about 70 pages of this on Monday, and then about half an hour before I was finished with this, I heard someone put something in my mailbox. So I went downstairs once I was finished and yay, there were specials. I started it on Monday and read about 130 pages of that. So round and about I read 200 pages on the first day. And then on Tuesday I had to work for almost 10 hours and I had dancing class in the evening. So I managed to read 50 pages of specials. And then yesterday I didn't have that much time to read too. Or let's just say The Walking Dead episode 3 game thing came out and I needed to play that. And then I went to the gym and then I had to work. But I still managed to read 120 pages of Special by Scott Westerfeld, and that leaves me at about 70 pages left of specials, and I'm definitely going to finish this book today. I read 200 pages on the first day, 50 pages on the second day, and 120 pages on the third day, which is 370 pages all in all, if I am... Yeah. 370 pages all in all. The day just started for me here and I have to go to work now, so I'm only going to read in the afternoon. But I am happy with what I've read so far. Yeah, you can already see that my TBR was indeed a bit ambitious and I'm definitely not going to finish all the things that I wanted to finish, but I mean I already said that I'm probably not going to finish them all, so that is okay. Yeah, I'm just super excited to finish this trilogy. I think that the development was absolutely amazing. Not only the characters and stuff, just the trilogy as a whole. And I'm so excited to see how it ends. Let me know how your Bot of Books is going, or if you're not participating, you're reading in general. And I guess I'll see you soon.